Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2005 Suzuki C50 Boulevard. This middleweight cruiser is in great shape. It's got a couple of scratches on it, but that's the only damage that's been found. So she's got a little over 17,000 miles on it. So let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This cruiser comes with a tall, clear windscreen. As you can see, the front tire is still in good condition. It's got plenty of miles left on that. And here are the scratches that I found right here on the edge of the front fender. This bike does come with footboards for the driver. It also has a throttle lock. Tank's in good shape, no dents, no scratches, no rock chips, seats, no rips, no tears. Same with the bags. Bags are in excellent condition. It does have aftermarket pipes on it. The back tire as well is in excellent condition, looks fairly new. Good clean cruiser. Alright, show you the miles here. $17,272 is what's on it. I'm going to set the camera down here. This C50 Boulevard has gone through our pre-sale inspection, also comes with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.